Samsung is no longer playing it safe, as the Galaxy Z Fold 8 and Galaxy Z Flip 8 were recently leaked. This time, the updates are not minor. These are the improvements that supporters have been hoping for. According to a new leak from Anthony, Samsung is making significant improvements to both foldables, focusing on areas that are actually important in daily use. Starting with the Galaxy Z Fold 8, Samsung is finally addressing one of the most common complaints by introducing a larger battery, which, along with faster charging, should dramatically improve the whole experience. Furthermore, the device is intended to be thinner and lighter, making it easier to transport and operate. Performance is also receiving attention, with increased cooling resulting in more continuous power for gaming and multitasking without overheating. The camera system is another huge highlight, with a new 50-megapixel ultra-wide sensor, an enhanced main camera, and a whole new telephoto sensor, potentially making this one of the most significant camera enhancements ever on a foldable device. But probably the most significant improvement is the new display architecture, which tries to decrease the crease by making it smaller and less apparent. Users have been requesting this feature since foldables first appeared. Official information on the new Samsung Galaxy Z Fold series, including the broad fold, has recently been released. A fresh report appears to reveal the debut date for Samsung's next generation of foldables. And there's a significant twist fans have been waiting for: the S Pen may be returning to the series. According to the Korea Economic Times, Samsung's next Unpacked event is scheduled for July 22 in London, England, when it will formally debut the Galaxy Z Fold 8, Galaxy Z Flip 8, and a fresh new device known as the Wide Fold. The business is apparently shifting to a 4:3 aspect ratio, departing from the tall and narrow shape seen in prior Fold models. Even more aggressively, Samsung's new foldables are expected to be about 45mm thinner than Apple's next gadget, indicating that the company is attempting to remain ahead of the competition rather than simply responding to it. However, the big story here is the reappearance of the S Pen. According to the rumor, Samsung intends to bring back S Pen support, maybe for the Galaxy Z Fold 8 and/or the Wide Fold. This is especially significant because Samsung removed the S Pen from the Galaxy Z Fold 7 in favor of a thinner design.